Hello, good morning. I was looking for.
Yes.
Hi there, my name is Amit. I'm a local realtor. I was calling about your condo that just came off the market. I was giving you a call because I am confident I can get it sold and I need just 20 minutes to show you how I can do that. Will you be available today, 3 o'clock or 4 will be better for you?
How? Okay, so let me ask you this.
Yeah.
What did you just? Are you at 541-327-6220?
And what?
Is that your telephone number?
No, this is my landline.
Okay.
Yeah.
It just seemed like another number came in when you called. Anyway, so yeah, it just came off the market. You're not holding. What would be a strategy for you for selling? This is a niche area.
Yeah, that's a really great question, and this is the reason why I just want to meet with you so I can show you exactly what I do differently. But in a nutshell, Beverly, I work really differently than most of the agents. Are you familiar between the passive and active approach when it's coming to sell real estate?
Well, your passive could be putting on an MLS and calling it good. Now, what would be your active approach?
Yeah, so as you said, basically the passive one is what 99% of the agents do. They do some pictures, put a sign in the yard, they put it on the MLS, it goes all over the websites. They may do or may not do some open houses, and after that, they just wait and do nothing. So what I do differently, Beverly, and again, it's in a nutshell, there is much more behind that. After I'm gonna list your property, this is when I start to work and I will actively look for buyers daily for your property. So I'm not going to wait for buyers to find me. I will actively look for buyers every day. And the reason I want to meet is just so I can share with you, in detail how I will do that. And again, in the end of the meeting, if everything makes sense, you want to work together, great. If no, at least you got some great information that may help you in the future.
Well, today is not a good day. Is there any information you can send me? Email me or something?
Unfortunately,
let me know who you are.
I can text you all my information.
Okay.
My contact info, my website. You can see who I am. But unfortunately, it will be not possible for me to share with you by email what I want to share with you in the appointment. So yeah, that's the reason.
Okay, so let me see. Your website and so forth and so on.
Yeah, definitely.
Today is not a good day, but I can have an opportunity to, check you out a bit.
I see. Okay, and today.
And where did you get my number from?
So I get a list from properties that coming off the market.
Okay.
Yeah. So Beverly, today it will not be possible at all, even if we can do a little bit later.
No, I'm slammed today.
I see. Okay, and how is your schedule look tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow in the afternoon might work.
Yeah, sounds good. So let's do this. Let's pin a time for tomorrow. Let's say maybe 2 p.m., 3 p.m.
Is this by phone?
No, we need to meet in the property because I want you to show me around and then also we can see together what would be the highest and best price. Yeah, perfect.
Tomorrow, Tuesday, 3 p.m.
Yes, let's schedule tomorrow for 3 p.m. and I will give you a call tomorrow, maybe an hour or two before, just to confirm to make sure that we don't have any changes, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect.
Give me your name again?
My name is Amit. I will text you also all my information right now.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Talk to you later.
Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.